Bow Wow, Piper.
And then she told them that the nicest part of the storm is the rainbow. And how the air smells so clean after a storm is over.
Who's that?
The bear.
It's a bear? What's a bear say? Yeah, what's a Bow Wow say?
Bow Wow.
Bow Wow! Bow Wow says Bow Wow?
Yeah, Bow.
Yeah, here you go. Look at those two cute Bow Wows and bears.
The more Pete thought about the storm,
Another Bow Wow?
it was loud and thrilling.
What's that?
And it inspired him and
Another Bow Wow?
and best of all,
Can you give that Bow Wow a kiss? Give the Bow Wow.
Yeah, Bow Wow. Piper, you are a baby. Baby.
Can you give Tristan a kiss and a hug, Piper?
I want animal.
Alright, can you give Tristan one? She's,
Piper,
oh, what's that one?
Piper gave me my kitty cat.
She did.
Oh, the bed.
That's Elmo.
Are you going to give that to Mommy?
Thank you. Can you give Tristan a hug and a kiss? Tristan,
Can I have a
Piper.
kiss?
Look, she's going to give you one more. Oh, that's so nice. Can I have one, Piper? A kiss? Oh, are you sleepy? Yeah. Tristan, Piper, do you miss Daddy? Do you want to see Daddy?
Piper says I do miss Daddy.
She does. You want?
I want Daddy.
I know. Well, we'll see Daddy very soon. Let's all say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy. Can you say, I love you, Daddy, Piper? Bye. Can you wave bye-bye?
one late afternoon,
Wave bye-bye, Daddy. Wave bye-bye. Piper, can you wave?
Bye, Dad.
Bye. Can you wave? Bye.
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 when all of a sudden, the nice, bright, sunny day turned small.
Can you do a dance for Daddy? A bye-bye dance? A little one. A little dance? Yeah, that's a Bow Wow.
Pete, why are you down there when I'm up here? Pete!
Two Bow Wows.
That was an easy thing to decide, since there was only one way to go. So Pete went that way.
Baba.
At first,
Say bye-bye to Daddy, Piper.
interesting.
Bye.